Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to get into the slow motion in Doom the Dark Ages. So if you wanna have a time for thinking what to do next, or the situation with fighting with demons is a little tough for you, then you can use a slow motion effect to think what to do next. How I do it is press R on a keyboard. That allows you to use a shield with chainsaw and throw it in front of yourself. So as you can see, I almost died. I can slow the time by using R and dodge the skills or plan to attack the opponents. That will be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!